Hello and welcome to the Cyber Life channel where we talk all things cyber. Today we're going to be installing a bare metal Kali Linux installation on our VMware workstation player. So first we're going to want to navigate over to VMware workstation player where we're going to download this. And then we're going to want to hit go to downloads. And then you're going to want to download whichever one works for you. So I'm on Windows, so I would click download that. I already have it installed. And then we're going to go over to Kali Linux where we're going to do a bare metal installation. And I just usually use whichever one for me. So I have 64-bit, and it is quite a big file, so you might want to get that installed and just take a snack break or something while you wait on it to install. And then after that's done, which I already have it done, you want to go into VMware Workstation Player. And actually, before you want to do any of this, you want to first go into your system's BIOS, and you want to do that by restarting the system and mashing the delete key as many times as you can before the Windows screen appears, and that's going to take you into your BIOS. And then while you're in your BIOS, you want to go to the Advanced tab, and then there should be a tab for CPU virtualization, and you're going to click that and then toggle that on. Alright, and then now back to here. So we're going to want to create a new virtual machine. You're going to want to click install device image or disk image of the ISO file, which is pretty much the Kali Linux we already downloaded today. You're going to want to open that and then click next. And this is going to be an Ubuntu system, which is pretty much the closest to Kali Linux because it is running off of Debian, which is Ubuntu. And then we're going to call this Linux machine, let's call it Kali. And then this is our partition disk, so I'm going to make it 20 gigs because that's what it allocates for and recommends. Alright, and finish that. And then now you're just going to want to hit the play button and then do a graphical install. Just give it a second to load up. And you want to go and hit on English, United States, American English, and now it's going to detect hardware that you have on your PC, like any mouses, keyboards, network adapters, anything like that. Alright, and I'm going to name this one Kali again. And I'm just going to leave the domain name blank. And then we're going to name it Kali as well for the full name for the user. And then this is our password, so go ahead and make a password. Right. And then select your time zone. Alright, and this is going to use your entire partition disk. Now it's not going to do anything to your actual hard drive because this is selected only for your virtual machine. So click that, and then use all files, and then finish that, and then click yes to this. Alright, and I'll be back when it finishes. Alright, and now it's going to ask us if we want to just download the desktop environment. We're just going to click continue on that. And now it's going to finish up. Alright, now it's going to ask you if you wanted to use the grub bootloader. We're going to hit continue on that. And then we're going to use dev CDA or SDA. And it's going to finish this installation. Alright, and now it is finished installing, so we're going to hit continue to boot into the new system. Alright, and now we're going to start by typing in our username and password we did before. And now it's going to bring us to the home screen of Kali. So just to start off, we've got a couple of cool apps. So we're going to have stuff like exploits. So this will be able to run into any like web applications, and we can, like Burp Suite is another good example. We can go straight into it and start exploiting anything we need to. Here's some more web vulnerability scanners. So then that way we can run vulnerability scans and find anything bad that we need to get rid of, or that we need to correct, or that we can hack into. And then we've also got packet sniffing and spoofing. So I've got Wireshark here, which helps us look through packets and detect any bad acting network traffic that we have, or we can also spoof packets. So that way we can look through the packets and find information that we need to hack into. Alright, and that's pretty much the basics of Kali Linux. Thank you for watching.